Hello everybody. Been away for a few days. The lad's back from the army, so he goes back this Sunday. He goes back, so we've got to take him back up then. So we've had a few days off, not cooking and that, but this week, because he's back and I don't want to really be making videos for hours on end, so I'm just going to do a few things simple. So let me show you what I'm going to do today. Right, I'm going to be doing sausage, bacon, egg, double decker. I ain't had a double decker for ages. I'm going to do it though. My double decker is going to be fried bread, because I love fried bread, absolutely love it. So I got myself some Cumberland sausages, nice and simple. Some smoky back bacon, a few eggs, which I already had in anyway, just the bottom. A Tiger Bloomer, 30% off, it's got to be used by today. That's a bonus for today. And then just a bit of lard. It's not hard, it's simple. And hopefully it's going to be delicious. So first things first, we're going to get the Cumberland. I'm going to do the Cumberland and the back bacon. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. It's easier for me. So we'll get the sausages on a tray first. As I say, I will catch up with everybody's messages. I've just been off for a few days, that's all. I'm going to do all these sausages because Anna's having a sausage sandwich and that as well. Nice and simple. And we'll get them in the air fryer. Right, in the air fryer, let go. Bottom shelf, because I'm going to stick my bacon on the top. Close that up. 200 degrees. Put it on for 20, won't take 20. But while that's doing, we'll get the bacon prepared and the lard in the pan. I'm ready to do the fried bread, and I'll do my eggs last. Right, the sausage is doing. So I'm going to stick some bacon on this shelving. We get the bacon on. Back bacon, smokers, Aldi's. Right, they're going to go in the air fryer. Let's get them in. Sausages are looking nice. Get some of that fat off that bacon on there now. Oh yes. Smelling delicious. Right, onto the fried bread now then. Right, I've got the pan on heating up. I'm going to get my lard in. Then I'm going to wipe all the sides down. All the rest of the stuff is cooking. Absolutely love fried bread in lard. Absolutely do. Let's get it in there. You want to get that lard boiling hot before you do anything else. The bacon's looking nice. Right, I want 3 of these now. We'll get a couple in there, will I? Hopefully. Don't take long, fried bread. Let me know if you like fried bread. I know some people don't. Right, let's just check it. Got it nice and crispy underneath. Oh yes. Oh yes. There we go. A bit more lard in. Looking nice. Looking nice. Bacon's nice and crispy. Should be done in about 30 seconds, that does. Just check these, because this side shouldn't take too long now. Not quite. About another minute. A bit more lard in there, because I've got to put another one in. I want to get the lard all hot. Done. Get them out now. Should be done now. Yep. Lovely. Fried bread. Now I want the eggs. I'm just going to use olive oil for the eggs. Without any shell, hopefully. Now I don't know how you like your eggs. I like my eggs a bit crispy around the edge and not too soft in the middle. What they're doing, right, I'm going to get my sausages on. I'll get them all on a plate first, boiling hot. Cut a sausage up. Now what do you have on yours? Do you have red sauce, brown sauce? Gorgeous. Oh yes. An egg. So I like my eggs a bit burnt, a bit crispy around the edge. Like so. Now I like brown and red, because I'm funny like that. Now build that back up again. That one's shrunk and it's gone a bit crispy there. But, so I like it. I haven't salted them, because I'm not going to salt them. Bit of red sauce. Do you know, I went up Aldi today, and I got a Heinz red sauce in the same size as that. Do you know it's £3.50 for a Heinz red sauce, tomato ketchup. Absolutely mind-boggling that was. Oh yes. There we go then. Look at that beauty. Cut it open. I was going to put another couple of eggs on, but I didn't bother. Oh yes. Yum, yum. Look at it. My eggs are about perfect there. Just have a like, you're not too runny. Right, let's eat it. There we go, why not? Something won't hurt you once in a while. Don't know how many calories are in it. But you miss an ingredient when you have one of these. Kitchen roll, because it goes absolutely everywhere. So, I've got the air fryer on, I don't know if you can hear it, because I'm cooking a bit more for the lad. So let's have a crack. It's going to go everywhere, isn't it? I'm going to need a plate. Let me get a plate. See if I can get it in my gob. Somehow. See me tough, got me tough, look. Oh, oh God. I had this, yeah, about 12 months since I had one of these, I think. Oh, gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Well, it gets everywhere. That's why it's only going to be quick ones this week. So there you go, something simple. I'm going to go and eat it now. I am the old food guy. Just like and subscribe. Till the next time. I'll catch up with everyone's messages today and tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.